Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Definite Learning. Today we are here to do the chapter The Parrot Class 5 English. So let us read. In a quiet village, a rich merchant kept a bright and talkative parrot in the case of gold. So in a peaceful village, quiet village, peaceful village, a rich merchant, a person who has money, wealth. So a rich merchant kept a bright, smart and intelligent and talkative one who could talk, जो बातें कर सकता हो. So बोलने वाला तोता था उसके पास. So in a peaceful village, a man had a smart, intelligent parrot who could talk, and the merchant kept the parrot in the cage of gold. उसने सोने की केज में रखा था, सोने के पिंजरे में रखा था. The parrot had a sharp mind and often entertained the merchant with stories and songs. So he was bright, he had a sharp mind, it means he was intelligent, and he often entertained the merchant. He narrated stories for him, he sang songs for him. Parrot मर्चेंट को अक्सर एंटरटेन किया करता था, उसका मनोरंजन किया करता था, वह उसको स्टोरीज सुनाता था, सॉन्ग सुनाता था. However, deep inside, the bird longed for the open skies and green trees. He longed for, it means he wanted, he wished, वह चाहता था. So he was happy there because उसके पास कोई कमी नहीं थी. But deep inside, or you can say in his heart, he wanted to fly in open skies and green trees. One day, the merchant decided to travel far away for business. So, one day he decided or he planned to go to some distant place for business. He thought he would do something to please his pet. He thought, the merchant thought he would do something that could make his pet happy. उसने सोचा कि वो अपने तोते को खुश करने के लिए, अपने पैरट को खुश करने के लिए कुछ करेगा. He walked up to the cage and said, he walked up means he went near the cage and said, my beloved parrot, I am about to travel to a far off land. What can I bring for you from there? So he asked his demand. He asked the parrot what he wanted. उसने कहा, मेरे डियर पैरट, मेरे प्यारे तोते, मैं कहीं बाहर जा रहा हूँ किसी दूर जगह पे, एट सम डिस्टेंट प्लेस. तो उसने कहा कि मैं तुम्हारे लिए क्या लेकर आऊँ. The parrot replied, dear master, you look after my needs so well that I have tasted all the tender fruits and chilies. Dear master, you look after, take care. You take care of my needs. मैं मुझे क्या चाहिए वो आप अच्छे से टेक केयर करते, अच्छे से ध्यान रखते हो. So I have tasted all the fruits and chilies. सारी चीज़ मेरे पास किसी चीज़ की कमी नहीं है. But I want to taste the joy of flying in the sky. He wanted freedom only. He said he wanted to taste the joy of flying in the sky. कि मुझे तो बस आसमान में उड़ना है, यही मुझे चाहिए. If you really want me to be happy, please let me fly off into the sky. So he demanded his freedom from the merchant. He said, let me fly. Allow me to fly in the open sky. मुझे जाने दो और मुझे बाहर आसमान में उड़ने दो, अगर आप मुझे खुश देखना चाहते हैं तो. The merchant said, you are very dear to me and I cannot bear to let you go away. Ask for anything else. He said, you are very dear to me. It means I love you a lot. मैं तुम्हें बहुत पसंद करता हूँ, बहुत चाहता हूँ. I cannot bear. Bear means tolerate. सहन करना. मैं सहन नहीं कर सकता हूँ. To let you go away. तुम्हें दूर जाने देना. It means he denied. The merchant denied the parrot to go away. उसने उसको बाहर जाने से मना कर दिया. Ask for anything else. Ask for, it means demand. Ask for means demand, मांगना. कुछ और मांगो. The bird shied. Shied, goat said. उदास हो गया. The bird goat said, since you cannot let me fly, when you see my friends in the jungle, tell them that I send them greetings from my cage. Okay. When the merchant denied the parrot to go away, to fly in the open sky, he said, when you see my friends in the jungle, when you meet my friends in the jungle, give my greetings to them and tell them that I have sent greetings from the cage. उसने बताया था कि मैं पिंजरे में हूँ, बताना चाहता था वो कि जब भी मेरे दोस्त मिले तो उन्हें मेरे ग्रीटिंग्स देना, मेरे लिए विश करना और बोलना कि मैंने पिंजरे से ही, केज से ही उनके लिए ग्रीटिंग्स भेजी हैं. The merchant went off on his travels. One day in a forest, he saw a flight of parrots. Flight of parrots, it means group of parrots. जो parrots का group होता है उसको flight बोलते हैं. तो flight of parrots with the same color as his pet. So when he was out there in the forest, when he went on his travel, one day in the forest he saw a group of parrots. जो उसके दो तोते थे उसी सेम कलर के, सेम ही कलर के होते हैं तोते तो. He walked up to the tree and said, he walked up to the tree. It means he went near the tree and said, oh beautiful parrots, I have one of your relatives as a pet and I keep it in a cage of gold. It has sent greetings for you all. So the merchant wanted to tell them that he has kept his pet very luxuriously. कि मैंने उसको गोल्ड के पिंजरे में रखा है. तुम्हारा एक रिलेटिव मेरे पास है और मैंने उसे गोल्डन पिंजरे में रखा है, गोल्डन केज में रखा है. एंड ही हैज़ सेंट ग्रीटिंग्स फॉर यू फ्रॉम द केज. केज से ही उसने तुम्हारे लिए ग्रीटिंग्स भेजी हैं. As the merchant finished speaking, one parrot dropped like a stone from the tree and fell on the ground. Like a stone means as if it is dead, जैसे कि मरा हुआ हो, मर गया हो. कहता है कि when merchant ended his talk, when merchant finished talking, one of the parrots dropped like as if dropped from the tree as if it is dead. जैसे कि वो मर गया हो, ऐसे वो गिर गया पेड़ से सुनते ही उसकी बात. And fell on the ground, धरती पे गिर गया. Here you can see the parrots, they are sitting on the tree and one parrot after listening to the merchant fell on the ground. ये देखो, ये ग्राउंड पर गिर गया है इसकी बात सुनते ही, जैसे कि मर गया हो. The merchant was distressed at this. Distressed, upset. The merchant got upset at this. कहता है कि वो देखकर वो upset हो गया. He hurried away from there. Hurried away, वो जल्दी से वहाँ से चला गया. वह जल्दी से वहाँ से चला गया. On returning home, he went up to his parrot's cage and described all the wonders and the beauty he had seen on his journey. So when he came home, he went near the cage and he started talking his parrot. He told them about all the wonders, beauties he had seen on his way. जो रास्ते में उसने beautiful scenes देखे थे, जो wonders देखे थे, वो सारी चीज़ें उसने अपने parrot को बताई. And how a flight of parrots had come to the forest he was visiting. When he was visiting through a forest, he saw a group of parrots there. कहते कि जब वो गुजर रहा था उससे, जब उसने फॉरेस्ट को विजिट किया था तो उसने एक ग्रुप ऑफ पैरट्स वहाँ देखा था. He then told his pet about the message he had conveyed, that he sent his message to them. उसने ग्रीटिंग्स भेजी थी अपने रिलेटिव्स के लिए, दूसरे पैरट्स के लिए. तो उसने कहा कि मैंने तुम्हारा मैसेज कन्वे कर दिया था, उन तक पहुँचा दिया था. And with great sorrow described how one bird had been so shocked that it fell to the ground. And with great sorrow he was grieved when he was telling about the parrot who fell down on the ground. कहता कि वो बहुत ही मतलब दुखी था बताते हुए, जब उसने बताया कि एक तोता धरती पे गिर गया था, कैसे उसने डिस्क्राइब किया उस पूरी बात को. As soon as he finished talking, his own pet parrot fell from the perch to the floor of the cage. Perch होता है sitting place. Birds का जो sitting place होता है that is perch. तो कहता है कि after listening this, जब मर्चेंट ने उसे बताया कि तुम्हारा एक रिलेटिव या एक पैरट जो जंगल में था वो पेड़ से गिर गया मेरी बात सुनते ही, तो यहाँ इस पैरट ने भी सेम ही किया. When the merchant ended talking, his own parrot fell on the फ्लोर ऑफ द केज. ग्राउंड पे तो नहीं गिरा क्योंकि वो केज में था, तो वो इसलिए केज के फ्लोर पे ही गिर गया. द मर्चेंट couldn't understand how his beloved pet died so suddenly. The merchant thought his pet died. उसने सोचा कि उसका तोता जब था वो मर गया. And he was shocked that how he died so suddenly. इतना अचानक कैसे मर गया उसका पैरट. He reached into the cage and gently took the still warm body of the bird and placed it on the window sill. तो कहते हैं कि he took it out from the cage. बाहर निकाला उसने. take out होता है बाहर निकालना. He took it out from the cage and he placed it. place means होता है रखना. उसने रख दिया. He kept it on the window sill. Now see, this is window sill. ये जो खिड़कियाँ होती हैं, इसका जो ये जो जगह होता है जिस पे हम हाथ रख सकते हैं, कोई सामान भी रख सकते हैं छोटा मोटा, तो this is window sill. You can see in this picture, this is window sill. So he kept it on the windowsill As soon as he stepped back, the bird stirred. Stirred, moved. STIR, stir. Stir means move, हिला. जैसे ही वो पीछे हटा, when the merchant went back, उसको उस विंडो सिल पे रखने के बाद जैसे वो पीछे हटा, the bird moved, stretched its beautiful green wings and flew off into the open sky, saying, My friend showed me how I could escape and now I can fly in the sky. Goodbye. So उसने कहा कि मेरे दोस्त ने मुझे रास्ता दिखाया है. जब मर्चेंट ने पैरट्स को बताया था कि तुम्हारा एक फ्रेंड मेरे पास है और वो गोल्डन केज में रहता है, तो उन्हें लगा था कि वो फ्रीडम चाहता है. तो उस एक तोते ने वो एक्शन करके दिखाया था कि जैसे मैं गिर गया, ये बात बताएगा जा करके, वो भी ऐसे ही करेगा और वो उड़ जाएगा. तो कहता है कि as soon as the merchant went back, the bird moved, it stretched its beautiful wings and flew off into the sky, and he said to the merchant, Goodbye, my friend. उसने उसको बाय बाय बोल दिया कि मेरा जो दोस्त है ना, उसने मुझे रास्ता दिखाया. My friend showed me the path, how I could fly in the sky, how could I get freedom. मुझे फ्रीडम कैसे मिल सकती है, ये मेरे दोस्त ने मुझे बताया है. So here we have finished the chapter. These are the new words: merchant, tender, distressed, perch, windowsill, sight. So merchant is you can say a trader or businessman. व्यवसायी होता है, व्यापारी होता है merchant, businessman और trader. Tender is soft, नरम. Tender means soft. Distressed, upset, परेशान. Perch, sitting place of birds, birds के बैठने की जगह होती है. Windowsill, the lower part of the window where we can place some things or hands. जो lower part होता है window का, जिस पे हम हाथ वगैरह रख सकते हैं, that is windowsill, and I think I've shown you in the picture too. Side, goat, sad, उदास हो गया. Side, goat, sad, उदास हो गया. So here we have seen the new words too, and these are the exercises we will do in the next video. So that's all for today. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you.